What if I told you that this just one simple recipe could completely transform your hair, all with ingredients you already have at home? Stick around and see how it is easy to make, and if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nells. To prepare this amazing hair growth treatment, we will be needing flaxseed. So I'll be making use of brown type of flaxseed, but you can also use the other type, the golden one. So flaxseed is powerful and they contain omega-3 fat acids, which helps to support the hair and helping to provide hair thickness and growing your hair. So if you've never tried out flaxseed, you need to give them a try and see the amazing benefit. The second ingredient we are going to be needing to make this treatment is rosemary, and we'll be making use of dried rosemary, but you can also use fresh rosemary. So rosemary is amazing and powerful for stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, preventing hair loss, hair thinning, and baldness. If you've never tried rosemary, I don't know what you are waiting for. You need to include it to your hair care routine, and your hair is going to grow non-stop because this herb is not a joke. The study shows that it can have the ability to stimulate blood circulation, growing all your bald spots and stimulating blood circulation, preventing hair thinning and making your hair to grow thicker. So right now I'm gonna transfer 2 tablespoons of flaxseed to a saucepan, and then I'll also add 2 tablespoons of rosemary. I'm not going to make a lot, just for today's use. Once I'm done transferring the ingredients to the pot, now I'm gonna use just 1.5 cup of water. Use any amount of water depending on the amount of treatment you want to make. And now I'm stirring them, and after that I'm gonna cover and transfer to a stove and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, it already started boiling and the gel is forming. So you don't want to overcook this for more than 15 minutes, because if you overcook, you end up destroying important nutrients. So while I'm cooking, I'm making sure I stir a little bit to prevent the gel from sticking on the pan. So after cooking, this is how it's looking like. I do not want to leave it for long to cool down, because if it cools down completely, you find it difficult to strain out. So you need to strain out when it's still hot. So I'm gonna be using a strainer, but you can also use a cheesecloth. But using a cheesecloth right now is difficult because it's still hot. So just use a strainer like this. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Now this is how the rosemary and flaxseed gel is looking like. Just look at the consistency. I do not want to make it more thicker because I wanted to make something like less thick. If you want your flaxseed gel to be thick, you can go ahead and add more flaxseed. Right now, I'm going to transfer the gel to this applicator bottle for easy application. This is how my hair looks right now. It is wet, but it is not clean. I just used the water to hydrate it. The importance of using water will also help to with product penetration. So you need to use this method whenever you are applying any mask treatment. Make sure your hair is well hydrated. You can use a hairspray or you can also use water. Right now, I'm gonna apply the gel and I'm focusing on my hair strands. Once I saturate my hair with the gel, I use my fingers to distribute it to each hair strand, and I also use my fingers to massage my scalp a little bit. Massaging your scalp helps with blood circulation. The treatment will help to clean your scalp. If you have a scalp buildup or you have your scalp is oily, then you need to use this flaxseed mixture because it will help to cleanse your scalp and remove all the dirt and oil. So once I'm done with one section, I always like to twist it back. So this treatment is really amazing and powerful. You need to give it a try if you struggle with excessive hair loss, you have hair thinning, and you have bald spot, flake scalp, and you want to grow your hair healthy, then you need to give this treatment a try. The ingredients used here are powerful, as I explained their benefits. So if you start including it, then your hair is going to grow non-stop. You can use this treatment as a leave-in or you can decide to wash it after you apply. But personally, I would recommend you to use it as a rinse out. Apply to your hair and then rinse it out because if you leave flaxseed gel on your hair, then it may cause some, breakage because your hair will get dry unless you use something like a leave-in conditioner or hair butter. For me, I'm just going to use it as a rinse. I'm going to apply it and then after that, I'm gonna cover my hair with plastic bag. I'll leave it on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll rinse it off. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and if so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and join the family if you haven't yet subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.